Hey guys, welcome back. Today we got the first picture of Realme 3 Pro in real life. These images are taken by Madhav Seth, the CEO of Realme, and photos are amazing. And they said that Realme 3 Pro is coming very soon. And I hope that Realme 3 Pro one of the best smartphone in budget segment. Let's talk about some specification and launch date about this smartphone. So according to IndiaShopps, the Realme 3 Pro will be featuring a Snapdragon 710, this chipset and octa-core CPU with two higher performance octa-core 6 power of efficient cores and a Adreno 1610 GPU. If the Realme 3 Pro feature the Snapdragon 710, it could be powered as the Redmi Note 7 Pro, which has a Snapdragon 675. IndiaShopps claim that the Realme 3 Pro will be featuring a IMX519 camera sensor. This is the same sensor that is in the OnePlus 6T. If what the IndiaShop claim is true, the Realme 3 Pro could offer a flagship grade camera performance. According to report, the Realme 3 Pro will come with VOOC 3.0 fast charging and it will fill the Realme 3 Pro battery up to 75% in less than 30 minutes. So the Realme 3 Pro could be a segment leader when it comes to battery charging speed. The publication also revealed that the Realme 3 Pro comes with three variants: 4GB RAM, 32GB storage, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage and 6GB RAM and 64GB storage. As for the launch date, the IndiaShop said that the Realme 3 Pro could launch in third week of April. This fall in line with what the brand has already revealed. If the Realme Pro comes with the what IndiaShop claim, it could give a tough competition to Redmi Note 7 Pro. Well, first the Realme 3 Pro will have a similar powerful performance as for Redmi Note 7 Pro. Second, it will have a OnePlus 6T camera sensor. It could offer a similar image quality to Redmi Note 7 Pro 48 megapixel camera. And third, if it have a VOOC charging 3.0, it could charge similar speed as Redmi Note 7 Pro. So that's all guys. Let me know your thought in the comment section. If you like this video, press the like button. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.